Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and today I want to talk to you guys about how to use these forms. Once you log in, and I'm assuming that you're already a member. If you're not a member already, hey, become a member. Especially if you watch me here from YouTube, you will see that, I usually try to interact with my people as much as possible. If you ask me a question, I will do everything I can to answer it. However, I'm here all the time. I'm not necessarily on YouTube every day unless I'm really uploading or I'm watching a video. So I'm here every day. This is like my homepage. So, definitely come over here, join, and interact so I can, answer your questions that you might have from YouTube. So, a few things that you can do here. I created this guide and I'm still adding to it, but as you can see, the purpose, say thank you, good karma, karma bucks, top posters, edit your profile, notifications, stuff you should already know, and a cool little quote down here by a guy that I admire named Ben Carson. And you'll see yourself right here as far as, logged in once you log into your account. So let's kind of just run through really quickly some of the things that we just pointed out right there. One thing that you can do that you possibly might miss in reference to interacting here with the forms is you can thank people. So if you don't necessarily want to write an elaborate, if you don't want to write an elaborate message to a person to say thank you, as you can see right here in this timeline, this is kind of pushed over because it's kind of doing something different as far as answer the question there. But you can see right here, you can just hit thanks right there in that little footprint right there, and it will thank the person in reference to the conversation. And I'm not sure if it did it right there because it was kind of like in a question format. So let me kind of find somewhere else where I can do this here, and let me try to find one because I've thanked everyone I possibly could thank, I do believe. So I can't thank myself here, but right here, Inner City Storm had said something here, and I want to just say thanks for his comment. I got something from it. So I can just hit thanks there, and you will see underneath his name now, underneath the post, you will see thanks by Website Candy. So I just wanted to let you know that's there. You can also see the flag here. If someone says anything inappropriate, please let us know by flagging them, and we'll definitely take care of any type of issue that may be going on there. I want to show you a couple other little nuances that you can do here. Let's go ahead and jump right into the candy store. Right here, I will be listing a whole lot more things that you can actually get with your karma bucks, and I'm going to talk about that next. But right here, you can get a landing page, and the way it works is it's 1,000 karma bucks. Right here is what you would pay, and over here will be $10 USD. And this is like processing fee. So, you got to pay real money. So that's how you would obtain those karma bucks. When you come over here and hit buy now, you're going to be deducted 1,000 karma bucks. You're going to be deducted 10 regular dollars out your regular bank account. So I think I'm gonna kind of keep that same format. For every 1,000 karma bucks would be $10 in real money in reference to some of the things that we'll be offering in reference to the forms here. Another thing that you can do is when you go over here to a discussion, you can create a discussion, you give it a title, you have like your basic things like your bold here. So if you just say, hello, for instance, you would just highlight everything and you would just hit the B key right there, and it's going to wrap that hello in some basic HTML as far as your bold there. And when you post this, you're going to see it as bold in reference to what you said. So everything you type outside of these brackets right here for the bold, it will not be bold. So if you want everything to be bold, type it out, select it, and then do whatever you want to do in reference to underlining, strike through, a little bit of code there, or whatever the case may be. Okay, so right over here, I want to show you the image. The first thing you want to do is enter your image URL. I use a website called Imager quite a bit. I'm gonna cancel that, and you can see right there it gave me the source in reference to the image. But let me show you Imager real fast. And over here on Imager is free. You don't even have to log in. But what you can do is you can come over here and you can upload an image, on the fly. So you can say, hey, I want to upload an image from my computer. And once you upload the image, let me just try to show you one that has already been posted possibly, and make sure it's nothing inappropriate. So let me select this right here. And over here, I'm not seeing it from the perspective of an upload, and it would be a GIF image, go figure. But right over here, you will see code that you can grab in reference to the image, and you will see a code for form. So grab that code and you come over here and you hit your little image dialog there. You drop that code inside there, that little link basically, and you hit OK. Now make sure that when you do that, this image source is going to already have its own image source. So you want to delete this portion right here. And if you have any issues, just let me know. I'd be happy to help you out there. Announce, you won't see that there because you're not necessarily an administrator, so you won't be able to announce things, but you can put right here your tags. You can create tags. When you start to type tags, it will kind of find tags that have already been used, and you can use those tags if you decide you want to. However you want to do it is fine. You can also check the Facebook and Twitter to automatically send it out to Twitter and Facebook once you hit publish there, and then you can attach a poll as well. So you can create a poll. So here is the title, here is the first question right here, here's the first option, the second option. You can drop this down, you can do a third, fourth, fifth option, and then you can say, okay, I want to ask a question in this format as well. Don't overlook the little emojis over here where you can add little emojis. I know they're a little old school. I might try to get those updated to the emojis that the iPhone uses today. So we'll see. But this is what we have for now. They work. They're cool. It gets that emotion that expressed over to you, no problem. Another quick thing that you can do here is the notifications. So you can go to your notifications here, and I would suggest that you hit the little bell, and you can see your list of your notifications thus far, and you would say notification preferences. And when you go into there, you can check in reference to what you want to be updated on if somebody notifies you as a private message. So by default, everything is on, and you'll receive an email and a pop-up. So you can alter this however you decide you want to. And then down here in reference to discussions is me as the administrator and the owners of the forums. I am email pop-up to everything. I want to know when anybody does anything in any category so I can monitor it properly. And you can hit save your preferences there. And since we're here already, let me go ahead and show you the social. So you can connect your social. All you do is touch it one time. You connect, and I already have mine connected, and it will connect to your Facebook and Twitter. Very simple, very easy, especially if you're already logged into Facebook and Twitter. Within this session of your browser, it will automatically find that session and bring it right over here to the forums. If you have not already logged into Facebook already today or Twitter, it may ask you to log in, for your first session within the day on your actual computer there. What else can you do here? You can just do an array of things, and it's really just a matter of just jumping in and just going for it, honestly. The karma leaders right here is basically how many points you earn. I'm trying to get myself removed here. I'm working on trying to remove myself because I don't necessarily want to, outshine anyone because I'm over here all the time. I'm constantly logging. I'm constantly interacting. I'm always doing discussions, new discussions, interacting with current discussions, and you can see the top leaders over here. You can see the top posters. So the more discussions that you post, you will see here that you will have access to be able to become a top leader, a top poster in reference to when you post there, and you can see the different badges associated there. Let me show you, what else can I show you here? Let me go back over here to my guide, and over here within my guide here, you can read down through here. I'm gonna actually add this video right down here so you can watch the video here, but just make sure that you edit your profile as much as you can in full. Make sure that you fill out your location if you want to. It's all optional. Your website, so when people come to your profile and your title, so when people come to your profile, they can see what you do, and you could land some new business in reference to forums. I mean, that's why I've used forums in a long time. I've been on Apple's forums for years. You'd be surprised at how much business I've made from and interactions that I've made and connections I've made from just interacting with Apple's forums. So make sure you just kind of post in the right discussion here. If I see a discussion in reference to right here, it's kind of like affiliate marketing programming. Programs and ebook tips and things of that nature. If I start to really see like a lot of people talking about passive income, I will make a whole entire section dedicated to just passive income so that it'd be a lot easier to get to and look through versus all the different threads inside of the different categories there. So here's the different threads inside the category of general right now, where you can see all this stuff right here. I feel like I'm missing something, but Honestly, I think I'm pretty much covered it all. I mean, it's really simple, really self-explanatory. I think I covered all the karma bucks. Once you accumulate karma bucks, you can come over here and hit use karma bucks. Takes you to the store. Once again, we'll have a whole bunch of different stuff here that you can get with Karma Bucks, and 1,000 Karma Bucks, $10 regular USD payment there. And also, in reference to your image, if you log in with Twitter, or if you log in with Facebook, sometimes the image comes over kind of crummy. You can change your picture there, and you can just re-upload the same picture with a better quality, kind of set here for the website if you decide you want to do that. But image is everything. Obey your thirst. Ain't that what they say? So that's everything. I think I covered everything. I think that's all of it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, and I would be happy to answer. Right over here in the forums. So, like I mentioned before, if you haven't already joined, come on over, engage, connect. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. Let me help you, assist you, or let the whole community help you and assist you with whatever you may have going on in reference to, this online world. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now.